How to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading issue. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of Marketplace not loading on your device. So without any delay, let's get started. Open your Facebook application first and go to Help and Support. Click on it and then click on Report a Problem. Again, continue to click on a Report a Problem. Then Facebook will direct you to a page where you're supposed to write about the problem you're facing. So click on Include and choose the category of problem you're having. I chose Marketplace. Now here in the Describe issue, you need to write about your problem. You can write on your own words or you can just copy what I'm writing. Hey Facebook, I'm having trouble with Marketplace of Facebook as it is not loading, so please fix it. After you're done describing your problem, click on Send icon at the top right corner and Facebook will fix your problem in no time. So that's all. That is how easily you can fix Facebook Marketplace not loading issue. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.